following along with the guide, we're on to the next step, which is gonna be strength and machine integration. Low back extensions, you guys have seen these before. Low back extensions, multi-plane, cross-body low back machines. You don't need a machine to do this, but you can use a machine like that. I'm gonna show you with a dumbbell, and then I'm gonna show you the weighted squats combined with rows and pulls. Even these are considered forms of low back extensions that I showed you guys earlier. Pelvic tuck, okay. You can allow the back to round as long as your abs are engaged and your core is engaged, okay. That's to give the nice stretch, get a nice couple warm-up reps in, feel the pull, feel where the pressures are in your spine, come back up. Now we're gonna keep a nice arched back now, in this case, and I can really feel it into my hamstrings now. This is a back extension. You don't need to be on a back extension machine to do this exercise. My knees are not completely locked straight out, but they are locked in that position and they're not moving, right? And I come back up. That's a back extension. Weighted squats, you can do the same thing here. Then you can go into a row like this. I'll turn to the side. Row. Squat. Just like that. And you can use another weight. Start out light so you guys can master these sequences and then go heavier. You can even do the squat like this. Come up, turn, turn. And that's just as easy to do on a machine like this. Plain and simple. You're gonna have it a little bit lower, but you'll come down, come up and turn. Maybe I'm facing this way for the camera, maybe face this way a little more so that when you squat down and you come up, you're not coming too close to your face. Come back down. You can even rotate, come back up, come back down. Make it fun, mix it up, okay? But you're getting some spinal rotation movements in with that practice. Throw in some lunges in there for good measure, you're good to go. That's cross-body low back machine. Again, don't need that. You can use the dumbbells, you can use bands to get the resistance from all angles. If the band's coming from this direction and you're pulling it, it's pulling you back, it's pulling you down. You gotta use a lot of spinal rotation, spinal strength and control to perform that exercise. Then you guys, we're moving on to the daily habit core recovery sequence. Super simple and easy to do. We talked about the pelvic tilts. We talked about cross crawl sequencing. The heel sits is a phenomenal one. You guys have seen me do this a lot if you follow my channel. Heels out, toes in. Heels out, toes in. Sit on your butt. You can go all the way back. This is what you should be able to do. You should be able to get all the way back like this and then come back up. But if you can't do that in the beginning, that's fine. Don't hurt yourself. Be smart. Try to sit on your heels. If you can't even do that, then you're not gonna be able to get back the whole way. But here comes a good stretch. I'm tilting my pelvis again. And even here is a nice good stretch. I'm gonna make it even better by pulling my hips back. My hips are being pulled that way like a rope, and I'm elongating the spine, arching my back, rounding my back. Really trying to feel some elongation in the joints and the spine here while I'm doing that exercise. And then the walkouts are one of my most favorite exercises slash warm-ups. Very simple to do. Again, slight pelvic tilt engagement. maybe 30 to 40% engagement here. I'm gonna come straight down as much as I can. You'll get better at this as your inflexibility increases. I'm going to slowly walk out. Hey, if this is where you start right here, then this is where you start. If this is where you start, that's fine. You'll slowly eventually get to be able to walk the whole way up to here. You're gonna slowly walk out as far as your abs can tolerate. So you wanna go out as far as you can without your butt dropping like that. You wanna keep the pelvic tuck engaged. And then slowly walk back. I like to get a little rotation in there, but you don't have to. So again, my heels are out, my toes are in. And then to get the opposite, I like to rotate a little bit as I come back and then go back out. In the beginning, just walk out straight. Don't try to overcomplicate it. Most new clients, by the time they're done with the warm-ups, are already sweating and feel like they already did a workout, which is fine. Eventually, you won't feel like that. You won't be out of breath. Moving on to the daily habits.